Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Abdurrahman Kahi and you are watching Animals Production Practices. In our today lecture we are going to talk on the housing plans of large ruminants. Following are the housing systems commonly used while providing shelter to the large ruminants: the single row system and the double row system. In the single row system, less than 15 animals are placed, while in the double row system, more than 15 animals can be accommodated. The double row system is further classified into tail to tail system and head to head system. Advantages of tail to tail system: all animals get fresh air. Similarly, spreading diseases through respiratory system is minimum. Supervision of animals is easy, and cleaning is also can be done comfortably. This is the simple map of construction of the livestock farm comprising the tail to tail system. Advantages of face to face system: better showing for visitors, cows feel easier, sun rays shine in gutter, easy feeding and other practices can be done comfortably. The face to face system is also having some limitations, as there could be the difficulty in milking. Udder cannot be checked easily. Similarly, the cleaning difficulty. This is the simple diagram of face to face system. That's all about today's lecture. If you have any question, you may ask in the comments. Thank you very much.